we're going to look at detailed directions on how to add a new product. So I would go to Catalog and click Products, and that would bring me to this screen that I'm already on. I would click Add New, and I'd get a fill in the blank screen. But I think it'll be easier to look at if we take a product that's already here and we just go to Edit. So if we go to Edit, you're going to see the same fill in the blank screen that you would see if you clicked Add New. It's just going to have some of the things already filled in. So we'll just use that one. So first of all, it's got an ID number. The ID number is assigned by our system. You don't control that. Then you select what type of product. Most of the time it'll be simple product. You'll just give it a name, type in a description. Now in this example, we wanted this part to be bold right here. So we use some really basic programming code. We put the letter B in a bracket, which means everything to the right of that bold, and then to end, you put the letter B inside of the brackets with a slash mark. So begin bold, end bold. You don't have to do that. You can just use plain text. Then that's the short description. Then this is the long description. I'm just going to open up a new window here, and we're going to look at that product. So you'll see where these two things fit. So I'm going to go to that product that's here on our website under Test Products. And we can see it here. I'll click on it. And so that's the short description up here. Here you can see the text that was bold with the B inside of a bracket. And then the long description, there are these bullet points that we have here. So there it is, long description, short description. Then if you use these SKU numbers, you'd enter it there. I click Publish because I want it published, but you might be setting up a new product that you've got just for Mother's Day or something, and you want to set it up in January. Then as Mother's Day get closer, all you've got to do is click Published and save that. These might be numbers you'd use, but probably not in this country unless it's an ISBN number for a book, but it's there if you want to use it. If you're selling parts from other manufacturers, you can enter their manufacturer part number. You can allow customers to post reviews or not. You can make this product appear just for a set period of time, so you can set a start date and set the end date when it's no longer available. That's up to you. If you want it to show that it's a new item, not a used item, you can, or you can just skip that part. Anything you write in here in this admin comment part, that's just a note to yourself. The public never sees that. And then you have some other options here. Downloadable product. If it's something they download, a report or something, you put a price here. That's the price people see. Now if you want to show that's a sale price, well then you could put the old price here. So maybe we'll say it used to be $99, now it's $79.99. So it would show the 99 with a line through it. We could disable the buy button if we wanted to. For example, if we're out of stock, we could disable the buy button so people can't buy it. We could disable the wish list. If we don't, then wish list is available. There's pre-order. If it's some custom thing, you put call for pricing where maybe it's some product you've got to customize, maybe with screen printing or embroidery or something. Customer enters price. Have no idea when you'd ever use that. There's a base price here that's according to German law, so if you're selling in Germany, that could be important to you. Discounts are available here. You could set up a discount code, and then whether or not this item's tax is exempt, that might vary from one state to another. Then we'll look at the options over here on the right side. We can track inventory or don't track the inventory. It's up to us. We can show the amount we've got in stock. We can show which warehouse it comes from. Maybe there's more than one warehouse. We could select multiple warehouses and then pick from that. And we can show that it's available if we want to. We can show the quantity that we have in stock. Now these sound similar, but they're not the same. So that will just say it's available, it's in stock. This would say we have 50 left in stock, or whatever the amount is. Then here we have minimum quantity that we want to have in stock, and then what happens when it gets low. We could say we want it to disable the buy button, or have nothing happen, or maybe just unpublish it altogether if our minimum stock amount got too low. But we might want to allow back orders, so we could do that too. and product availability, when is it going to arrive, so you can select that. Minimum, you might have a minimum, maybe you need to buy 2 for some reason, or a maximum, you could set a limit. And then allowed quantities, this is where you enter a list separated. For example, if it's a product that you have to buy at least 1, but some people want to buy 5 or 10, you could enter those numbers separated by a comma. Now for shipping, we can enter not only the weight, but the length, width, and height of the package, or select free shipping. Or we could enable U.S. Post Office shipping, FedEx shipping, or UPS shipping. But in this case, I think we've got a flat rate shipping here set up. Well, we've got it free, set to free right now. But you could put in a shipping amount and say it's $5.99 no matter what you buy. And we could select a delivery date if we wanted to. Then we select category. So in which category will this item appear? Now on our website, it's appearing in the category called test products. But you might have a category, let's say it was shoes, and it's men's shoes. So you might have it appear in the shoes category, but you might also have it appear in the men's category because it was men's shoes. You can set the manufacturer name here if you've got different manufacturers. Now I created a manufacturer called Free because I wanted to give a discount for only one manufacturer. And so that's a way to do that. So if one of your manufacturers that you buy from says, I'm going to give you 20% off whatever you sell through the end of this month, you could offer that same 20% off, but only from that manufacturer by using the manufacturer name and setting a discount for that manufacturer. You can set vendors here. So the manufacturer is who makes it, the vendor is who you buy it from. And you may need to require other products, or maybe not. Like a thing that doesn't come with batteries but needs batteries, you could require the people buy the batteries, but maybe they've already got batteries, so you don't need to. And you could add a related product or a cross-sell product. Now these are similar, but they're different. So related products is other things you want to show with this thing, but cross-sell, like if it's a shirt, so you want to show other shirts maybe. But a cross-sell product would be, hey, if you're buying a shirt, maybe you want these shorts to go with it. So it's similar but different. So you make all these selections, and then you just click Save up here, and you're done, and you've added a new product.